In the Dhaula Kuan gang rape case of November 2010, a Delhi court has convicted all of the 5 accused. Let's go across to Bhavtosh Singh. Yes, Bhavtosh. Bhavtosh, if you can hear me, what are the details coming in?
Well, in fact, all 5 accused in this case have been found guilty of gang rape and that of abduction by Delhi police, by a Delhi court. In fact, the case dates back to 24th November 2010 when a BPO employee was picked up from Dhaula Kuan. She was then driven around the city and then gang raped. Now, for nearly a week, the case could not be cracked. Finally, around 14 days later, the police managed to arrest all 5 accused in this case. The victim was also brutally beaten up by the accused and she was in fact admitted in a private hospital. The police in fact produced over 100 witnesses in this case. They also got DNA prints which matched with that of accused. The police have said that the accused were in fact hardened criminals who spotted the girl somewhere near Delhi Gurgaon Toll Plaza. They in fact kept on chasing the car, which was an office cab, after which once the victim and her friend got down near Dhaula Kuan, and when they were on their way home, the victim was allegedly abducted by the accused. There was also an attempt made by the accused to abduct her friend, which failed. The victim's friend then called up the police. The police later found the victim at least 3 hours later in northwest Delhi. The accused are from Mewat. All 5 accused in this case have been found guilty of gang rape, abduction, and also threatening the victim. The maximum sentence that they can face is up to life. One must remember this case is of November 2010, and the rape law was amended only after Nirbhaya incident. The maximum the prosecution has said that they will try to seek life for the accused, whereas the defense has claimed that they will appeal against the order in the Delhi High Court.